Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a G update. So this video is mainly for those of you that participated in the Supra Airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward. So recently I made a video on Supra on how to connect to Starkey for you to stay positioned for their airdrop. So now guys, for you to claim, currently you can only use a PC. You can use Mrs. Browser to connect your Supra Oracle account to Starkey wallet. So what you don't need to do is to set it on desktop side. So you need to download Mrs. Browser, then make sure to log in your Supra Oracle account, then set it on desktop side. Make sure to set it on desktop side. Then it's going to show you something like this. Now what you don't need to do is to just click on Chrome extension. So in case this is not on desktop side, this is what you are going to see. You'll not be able to see Chrome extension, I think. So this is how you are going to see it in case it is not on desktop side. But if you set it on desktop side, you make sure to set it on desktop side. Very important, guys. So if you set it on desktop side, you'll be able to see download Chrome extension. So I've already downloaded it and connected my wallet. What you just need to do is just click on Chrome extension. It's going to direct you here. If you direct you here now, what you need to do is just click on add to Chrome. So you're going to see add to Chrome here. Click on it. What you need to do now is to click on OK. So you wait for it to download. Alright guys, so download. Now what you don't need to do is to click here. Click here. Okay, or it is going to automatically take you here. So what you don't need to do, for those of you that don't have a wallet, because I know if you're watching this, it's because you don't have a wallet. What you don't need to do is to click on get a new wallet. Click on get a new wallet, put down name, set a password, confirm password. So you can watch my previous video on Supra Oracle on how I navigated around this. So once you set the wallet, confirm, then you are good to go. Open the wallet. You can save your seed phrase or you can just keep it for the meantime, but make sure to save your seed phrase. So after that, you can see download. After that, you can see update wallet. I've already connected, so no need of going through that again. So make sure to, you are going to see option to connect here. You just click on connect. It's going to take you to your Starkey wallet for you to approve transaction. Then after that, you are going to bring it down here to select your mode of staking and select how you want to vest your token, either by delegate or by staking it for 30 months. Then you'll be getting 3%. So I'm going to delegate my own, meaning they are going to hold my token for me for 15 months. So 15 months starting from when they launch, or you can just stake it, then you'll be getting 3% every month. So I just prefer I delegate it in case there's going to be any reward under them. So select, then click on confirm preference. Alright, so delegate. So for those of you that want to delegate, you have 15 days and some hours as a time of making this video. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys. So I've already delegated, so they are not going to show me again. So in case you did not delegate, they are going to automatically stake it for you after the delegation time is over. So they are going to automatically stake it for you for 30 months. So the ball is in your court, and again it depends on how the token is to do well. So those of you that might stake for 30 months and you are getting 3%, it might be worth it, or if you delegate it, it might still be worth it, but I just prefer to delegate it. Moon or dust, remove. Alright guys, so I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.